Hello gardening friend, it is March the 17th and today I'm going to update you on my winter sowing seeds that are starting. You can see the seeds are starting to pop up. It's almost springtime, we've gotten some warmer weather. If you don't know what winter sowing is, you might want to check out, I'll put a card up here actually for my winter sowing planting onion seeds. And I'll put a link at the end too. And then I'll put a link to some Facebook groups that Cheryl moderates that are a gold mine for winter sowing to learn how to do it. All right, let's turn the camera around and let's look at the jugs and see what's sprouting. Here's some of my jugs. Let's look in here. This says a cherry tomato that I got from Ray at Praxxus channel. He's got a seed shop called Little Shop of Seeds. Let's see. Looks like we only have 2 coming up there. Okay, here's some peppers. I don't think there's any peppers coming up yet. Still a little bit cold for peppers. Here's my onions that I did in the video. You can see they're really sprouting up. Okay, here's jalapenos that I saved seed for. Nothing there yet. Here's Mountain Rouge. Planted 5 seeds in here. There's a plant there, and there's a plant there. 2 of those are coming up. The basil is doing well. You can see a bunch of plants in there. Here's some Bait Alpha cucumbers that I got from Seeds and Such. They're coming up really well. That's amazing because they are a warm weather crop too. There's some cayennes. There's nothing coming up in there except some kind of weed there. Mountain Merit from Seeds and Such. I don't think there's any coming up in there either. I don't see any. Okay, here's Tuscany Kale. Lots of kale coming up in there. Okay, here's a tomato. Let's see, this is, let me turn it so I can read it. Unicorn from Seeds and Such. I don't think any of those are coming up either yet. Okay, here's Climbing Triple Crop. Yeah, we got some Climbing Triple Crop. There's 3 seeds coming up. I only planted 5 seeds in there. Might be more than 3, might be like 4, so it's a little hard to see. Here's a Ponderosa Tomato. These are coming up, I think, the best of anything. There's a bunch of seeds in there. And here is also a cooler weather crop, which is cilantro that I got from Ray at Praxxus Seeds. Alright, so stay tuned if you want to see how these seedlings grow and you want to see me plant them into the garden. I will put a link up here for my video I just did a month or so ago on starting onions seeds, which is basically tells the same process for any seed you want to plant winter sowing. And there's still time to get your pots out. Click that link and also go to the Facebook groups to learn more about winter sowing. It's a great way to start your seed. Have a blessed day. We'll see you again real soon.